Good morning. Today we are going to start our third chapter, More in Excel. In this chapter, we are going to discuss some features provided by Excel like sort data, filter data, create graphical representations called charts and much more. And today we are going to discuss about sorting data and also filtering data. So first let's discuss what is sorting data. Sorting data means arranging the data in ascending or descending order for easy analysis. The Excel has a built-in feature to sort data. In both cases, Excel first sort numbers, then only it follows the letters. So whenever we are sorting the data from Excel, first it will sort the numbers, then only it will sort the letters followed by blank cells. Okay, so whenever we are sorting a data, first we have to create a worksheet in Excel. So first let's create a worksheet like this. This is a worksheet. Based on this one we are going to sort the data. And we have to select the data cells including the column heading which are to be sorted. Here we can see one main heading is here and column headings after that data. So whenever we are selecting the data for sorting, we have to select the column heading also, because based on this column heading we are going to sort the data. So first select the data including the column heading, then click on the option Data from the tab. Here we can see the Data tab. Just click on the Data tab and from the Filter and Sort group, we can see the sort option. Just click on sort option. One sort dialog box will appear. This is called sort dialog box. From here, first we need to select the sort by option. When we click on this arrow, we can see all the headings here. The column headings we can see here. This is why we have selected the column heading. Okay, so based on this column heading, we are going to sort the data. So suppose we need to sort the data based on the highest score. Just click on the option highest score. That is the one of the column headings. After that we have to select the order. Order means either ascending order or descending order. In which order we have to sort the data, that we have to select from here. Suppose it is ascending order, select smallest to largest. For descending order, select largest to smallest. So we can select either ascending order or descending order. Suppose I have selected descending order. So first we selected the field or the sorted data's column heading and then the order. After that click on the option OK. Now we can see the complete table has sorted. We must note that the Excel has not sorted only the highest score column. Okay, we have selected the sort by option as highest score, but it is not sorted only this column, but all the data in other column has also changed corresponding to the highest score column, that we can see here. Okay, so this is how we can perform sorting data in Excel. And if you look at the sorted list, we will find that there are two players with highest score is 183. Okay, here Virat Kohli's and MS Dhoni's highest score is 183. And we can find that the Excel does not sort the data in other column if it is not told to do so. It simply remembers instructions for ascending or descending order for the highest score column. So now what happened? If you want to sort such data having the same value in one field, to sort such data, we have to add more field in sorting. So it is possible to add more field in the sorting. Now we have sorted the data based on the highest score only. It is possible to add more field in the sorting. So for that first we need to select the table and go to data. Here we can see sort. When we click on the sort, first we have selected sort by. Okay, here we can see an option called add level. we have to click on add level. Then we can apply sort on more column. Just click on add level. Then we can see then by. When we click on that one, we can see the column headings here. So first we will sort the data based on highest score. Then we can sort the data based on next column also. That also we can select from here. Suppose based on the number of hundreds also we can sort the data. So first the data will be sorted based on the highest score. Then it will be sorted by the hundreds. Okay. Then here also we can make the changes in the order. Okay. Suppose here in the first one we have selected descending order and in the second one we have selected ascending order. Okay. Now I am going to click on OK. Now we can see based on the highest score and also based on the hundreds we have sorted the data. Okay. So in two ways we can sort the data. This is how we can apply the sorting in more than one field or column. Okay. Our next topic is filtering data. A filter is an object that separates a thing that cannot pass through it from the thing that passes through it. By simply we can say the filtering data option shows the required information and hide the rest of the information which we do not want to see. Okay, so we can see or we can show the required information on the screen and also it is possible to hide the information which is not required. The filter feature of Excel separates the information as required from the given set of list and it gives you the required information without making any changes in the order of the list. When we use the sorting option, it will change the order of the list. But in the case of filtering data, it will not make any changes in the order of the list. It will show only the necessary data on the screen and will hide the data which is do not wanted. Okay, so that is the use of filtering data. For filtering data also, we have to select the data first, including the column heading. Then go to data tab and here we can see an option filter. In the sort and filter group, we can see filter. Just click on filter. When we click on the filter, we can see an arrow on the column headings. Each of the column headings, we can see an arrow. These are the options for filtering data. When we click on this arrow, we can see all the data in that particular column. Okay, and here by default all these data are ticked here. Okay, so which means these all data are visible now. Suppose we don't want to see the details of Vinender Sehwag and Virat Kohli, then we can untick that one. Then the all data related to these two players will be hide from here. Okay, now I have unticked these two players details and ticked these four players and I am going to click on OK. Now we can see only the necessary information which we have ticked we can see here and the unticked players details will be hidden from here. This is known as filtering and here we can see a filter symbol. This indicates the data on this field is filtered now. The arrow sign is changed to the filtered sign, which means one filter is applied on this field. That is the meaning of this filtered sign. Okay, suppose we need to remove this filtering from here. We have to again click on the data tab and click on the filter again. Then we will get the normal data back and all the filtering options and symbols will be removed from the column headings. Okay, so today we have discussed about two topics. First one is sorting and second one is filtering. Sorting means we can make the data either in ascending or descending order and it will change the order of the data. Second one was filtering data. Filtering means we can show the necessary information on the screen and we can hide the information which we do not want to see. And in the case of filtering, the order of data will not change. Only the essential or required information will be shown and all other details will be hidden. Okay, so rest of the portion we can discuss in our next class.